Welcome back to my YouTube channel Auto Trends Today, where we dive deep into the world of automotive excellence. Whether it's the latest models, classic legends, or high-performance machines, we've got you covered. From exotic supercars to groundbreaking new releases, we bring you in-depth reviews, comparisons, and all the details you need to stay ahead of the curve in the automotive world. If you're passionate about cars, be sure to hit the subscribe button and join us for exciting content. Today, we're going to take an in-depth look at one of the most anticipated cars of 2025, the Acura Integra Type S. The Acura Integra is back in a big way. The iconic nameplate has been revived for 2025, with the Integra Type S leading the charge. This high-performance variant blends the legacy of the Integra's sporty roots with the cutting-edge technology and luxury that Acura is known for. The 2025 Acura Integra Type S is not just a car, it's a performance statement, combining precision engineering with advanced features, all wrapped up in a sleek, modern design. Let's take a closer look at this performance machine, breaking down its design, features, performance specs, technology, pricing, and what sets it apart in the competitive compact luxury segment. The design of the 2025 Acura Integra Type S is a reflection of its performance-oriented nature. It embraces a modern, aggressive styling that hints at its track-inspired capabilities while maintaining a sense of everyday usability. The front fascia features a bold, angular grille, flanked by sharp LED headlights that provide a menacing look. The car sits lower to the ground, showcasing its sportier stance, with muscular wheel arches housing large 19-inch wheels wrapped in performance tires. The body lines are sculpted to maximize aerodynamics, with a sleek roofline that flows seamlessly into the rear. The Integra Type S rear end features a distinctive quad exhaust system, emphasizing its performance focus, while a subtle rear spoiler adds downforce and a touch of sportiness. The exterior color options are expected to include a range of vibrant hues, including exclusive Type S shades like a striking championship white and a deep sonic gray pearl, giving enthusiasts plenty of options to match their style. Inside the 2025 Acura Integra Type S, the cabin is a blend of luxury and sport. Premium materials like leather, Alcantara, and soft-touch plastics line the interior, offering a high-end feel without sacrificing the performance-oriented layout. The seats are bolstered to provide excellent lateral support, especially during aggressive cornering, yet are still comfortable enough for long drives. The driver's cockpit is designed for precision, with a flat-bottomed steering wheel, Type S-specific trim elements, and ergonomic controls for an intuitive driving experience. The dashboard houses a 10.2-inch digital display, which can be customized to show a variety of performance data, navigation, and media options. One of the most notable features is the Type S exclusive seats, offering heated and ventilated functionality, along with options for power adjustments. The rear seats, while sporty, offer decent space for passengers, making the Integra Type S practical for daily use. At the heart of the 2025 Acura Integra Type S is turbocharged 2.0-liter inline-4 engine, delivering an exhilarating 320 horsepower and 310 pounds-feet of torque. This engine is mated to a 6-speed manual transmission, with an optional 10-speed automatic for those who prefer convenience over engagement. The engine's power is sent to the front wheels via a limited slip differential, which ensures maximum traction during spirited driving. Acura has designed the Integra Type S with a focus on balance. The suspension setup includes adaptive dampers, allowing the driver to adjust the ride quality based on road conditions or personal preference. The car's low center of gravity, combined with a rigid chassis, provides exceptional handling, whether you're carving through tight corners or cruising on the highway. One of the standout features of the Integra Type S is its ability to go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 5.4 seconds, an impressive feat for a car in its class. Top speeds hover around 150 miles per hour, making it more than capable of providing thrilling performance. Driving the 2025 Acura Integra Type S is an experience that is hard to match. The car feels incredibly connected to the road, with precise steering and a firm, yet comfortable, ride. Thanks to its turbocharged engine, the Integra Type S delivers instant power, and the exhaust note is throaty yet refined, a perfect blend of sportiness and sophistication. Whether you're taking on twisty mountain roads or cruising down the freeway, the Integra Type S offers a well-rounded driving experience. The adaptive suspension system adjusts to provide comfort during daily commutes and firm support when cornering hard at the track. The 6-speed manual transmission offers a pure driving experience, but the automatic version provides rapid gear shifts for those who want speed without the effort. Inside the cabin, the 2025 Acura Integra Type S is equipped with the latest tech, ensuring both entertainment and convenience. The 10.2-inch digital display can be customized to show a wide array of information, including real-time performance stats, navigation, and media. The infotainment system includes a 9-inch touchscreen with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, allowing seamless smartphone integration. Acura's ELS Studio Premium audio system offers a rich listening experience, perfect for audiophiles. Additionally, the Integra Type S comes with a full suite of driver assist features, including lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system to enhance visibility and safety. Acura places a strong emphasis on safety, and the 2025 Integra Type S is no exception. In addition to its advanced driver assistance systems, the Integra Type S includes a high-strength safety cage, front and rear crumple zones, and an array of airbags to protect occupants in the event of a collision. The car is equipped with Acura Watch, a suite of safety features that includes collision mitigation braking, forward collision warning, road departure mitigation, and traffic sign recognition. These systems work together to help prevent accidents and keep you safe on the road. The 2025 Acura Integra Type S is expected to be priced around $45,000, depending on the trim and options selected. This makes it a compelling choice for those looking for a luxury compact sports sedan that offers high performance at a relatively accessible price point. The car is expected to be available in select Acura dealerships across the U.S. in the second quarter of 2025. Reservations are expected to open soon, so it's a good idea to get on the list if you're eager to own one of these performance-oriented machines. In the compact luxury performance segment, the 2025 Acura Integra Type S faces stiff competition. Some of its main rivals include the BMW M2, Audi S3, and the Volkswagen Golf R. Each of these vehicles offers a unique blend of performance, luxury, and tech, but the Integra Type S stands out due to its balanced approach and value proposition. Its manual transmission option, for instance, offers an engagement level that few competitors can match. The 2025 Acura Integra Type S is a welcome return to form for the Integra nameplate. With its combination of sharp handling, powerful turbocharged engine, and modern technology, it's set to become a favorite among performance enthusiasts. Whether you're on a track or on your daily commute, the Integra Type S offers an experience that's both thrilling and practical. This car is a testament to Acura's commitment to delivering performance without sacrificing comfort or luxury. If you're in the market for a compact sports sedan with a rich heritage and a bright future, the Integra Type S should be at the top of your list. Be sure to subscribe to Auto Trends today for more reviews, first looks, and deep dives into the latest automotive releases. Don't forget to leave a comment and let us know what you think about the 2025 Acura Integra Type S.